The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning, fellas. We should be good this morning on sound. Sound good, fellas? All right, good. All right, guys. Today is PPI at 8:30. We won't be doing anything prior to PPI at 8:30. Good morning, guys. Happy Friday, fellas. Happy Friday. I have not run any bots this morning, so I have zero. We could take a look and see what they might have done. Probably could have run natural gas. Yeah, winning trade, and a losing trade. I don't think natural gas natural gas shouldn't be affected one iota. YM wouldn't have taken any trades. Crude, losing trade, 3 losing trades. Crude is going to be affected because of the dollar. ES, no trades. Yeah, I'm still trading December, Stuart. Yeah, this would have chopped itself up. I'm still trading December's contract. I will until probably Monday. Volume is still in December. Here is NASDAQ, 57,000. So it's a little bit light, but the bigger volume is still in December. In any event, if you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. Today, for those of you that may be on the fence about joining, or maybe you've decided you're not joining, today will be your last day in the room. Good morning and welcome back. I appreciate your time. I do no sales presentation, so when we're done, we're done. There will be no follow-up today. No follow-up email for those of you folks on trial. I've shown you everything I got. Markets are currently up ahead of PPI. NASDAQ's up 85. ES is up 23. YM is up 150. EMD Russell up. Gold is up $11 to 18.12. Silver finally got above that $23 number. Crude is up 40 cents today. It is below that $72 number that Biden wanted to replenish the Strategic Petroleum Reserve with. In any event, guys, good morning. I'm just quickly adjusting some charts here. I'll read the disclaimer in a minute. I'll show you the ES chart. I'm not going to bother going through charts today because that's all going to be different in 20 some odd minutes. Okay, Don. Let's see here. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, guys. So at the end of the day, these funded trader platforms are all one thing. They're a giant, I hate to use the word Ponzi scheme because it's not really a Ponzi scheme, but they rely on the influx of money from the 90% of traders that fail to pay the very few that actually can make some money. What they don't want are guys, they don't want traders. They don't want traders. They want scalpers. They want guys that can grab, and I hate to use I don't mean to be gender specific. They want traders that can grab 15, 20 ticks, 10 ticks here, 5 ticks there. That's what they're looking for. Now, the way that really makes sense is if you have 3, 5, 10 accounts and you're making $300 a day in 3, 5, 10 accounts. What they're not looking for is somebody to put on 10 contracts in crude and have it, like yesterday, up $2 and you just made 20 grand, and then you catch the short and you make another 20 grand. They don't want that. They don't want to pay you. Years ago, we had a guy that when Top Step Trader was the first one around. Yeah, I'll send you his email. We had a guy that was with Top Step Trader, and he was with them for a long while, trading a fully funded account. And he was trading a $150,000 account. He was making a lot of money with them, and he put on a trade literally like 57 seconds after the news, and they washed him out. They washed him out. The biggest mistake I made was not doing a funded trader. I was going to do my own about 3 years ago. Some of you guys that have been around a long time, I mean, we had it all set up. The downside was I had the back office in place. I had everything set up, but it was with what was that platform? Not Sierra Charts. And 90% of you guys trade Ninja Trader. But I had it done. But I would have done it real. If you guys can trade, you can trade. That's anybody. Do I believe in universal basic income? I do not. No. Well, it's like anything else now, Wayne. Told you guys you could try a 48. Anybody have the balls to take it? Who took it? Who took it? Okay, Paul. All right, Kirk. Crude running away on Putin's comments. Crude is long. So I wasn't watching crude. Come on, give me 55. Don't be a chump. Come on, ragbag. All right, target one filled. Next target up is 60 to 65. I'm on close. Out, flat, out, flat, flat, flat. All right, guys. Those of you guys that had the heart to take a trade, kudos to you. Let's see, NASDAQ. NASDAQ held the bottom of the hourly cloud. Be interesting to see. Man, I love it when these candles are 4.5 miles long and I can't see anything. YM shorted on the bot. Target one. and out. Late fill. I do not have my NASDAQ bot on, guys. NASDAQ is all over the place. Stupid. All right, let me take a look at. God dang, these I can't stand when these candles are 400 miles big. Let me take a look at another chart. Guys, I have to look at freaking VIX is skyrocketed. Skyrocketed. Crude is off the Richter scale, thanks to Putin. All right, another short on the YM bot. Target one filled and stop filled. All I'm getting is I got to put this on trail, guys. Take the break even off. It's too volatile. All right, ES. You can short ES at 40 with the first target back down at 30. If you guys want to try 40 short, I will not give it much leeway. NASDAQ is a short at 69, maybe 70. No. Yeah, we're at 579. That's why I cannot run my NASDAQ bot. My pricing is all. Crude's an easier trade, just letting you know. Natural gas also went Pluto bound. Golly, natural gas breaking out, fellas. Let me take a look at gas. Gee. Natural gas is a long with a target at 63.38. Long natural gas. And crude is also going to be, no, not yet. Crude is long above the daily high at 72.92 with a 73.28. If you guys like crude, it is a long above the daily high. Putin said we will have to make agreements eventually. We are ready for agreements. If this goes, let me get crude back to a daily here. $73.13 is a target. 73.10, 11, 12, 13 area. Above that, we go 73.40. All right, you can cancel this on the ES. All right, let's see. Natural gas. We'll try a buy the close. Copper, buy the close. That's already done it. Let me see what dollar index is doing right now, guys. Nothing. Dollar index is flat. Buy the close. And gold has to be a buy the close. ES also has to be a buy the close. Watch 40 on ES. That's still my short if it comes down. Crude is turning over. I'd be more interested in a long on crude if it pulls back to 72.15. Natural gas hanging out. NASDAQ, I can't even trade. Let's see, 583, 585. Now we're at 582, 87. No, this is inaccurate. NASDAQ is at 80, 81. ES is at 45.75. No bot trades other than the two on YM. 185. That's right. ES nothing. Crude nothing. ES still has a positive delta. Not a ton of sellers. My first target would be 30 on this, guys. If you want to be a little more aggressive, you can short it here. Your stop is 60. Markets are down slightly. Nothing's fired on the breakout. I've got them all, loaded. Let's see here. What you got, Mimi? Okay. Thank you, Mimi. All right, guys, I'm going to cancel this ES for now. I have no pending trades. All right, so we got a long on crude. We have a long on gold, hit target. We have a long on the ES on the breakout, hit target 1. Target one hit on gold. Target one hit on ES and crude. Let's see, we got filled at 58. We have 10, 68. Let's see if we can get 20, 78. So this is a place we're going to have to get through on gold, 11.8. If gold is going to go higher, 11.8. Yes, I don't feel like watching it. So we had 1, 2, 3 trades on the breakout indicator. Look at crude. Crude's going to have to get above 74, and it trades into that daily double top. And if that breaks out, beautiful. Gold looking like it's trying to break out. Remember, guys, and I'll share this when we do education today. Just because you're in an automated trade doesn't preclude you from closing it, right? For instance, boom, I'm out. Don't like it. Maybe it goes, maybe it doesn't. I don't have to hold it. The ones that are going, let them go. The ones that don't, the hell with it. Crude doesn't want to go, it doesn't want to go. And no bot trades. I probably can turn on NASDAQ at this point. That's settled down. Natural gas still going. Okay. 3 trades, 760. Not bad. Average of 250 a trade. Natural gas is trading basically flat. NASDAQ is going to trade back up to 60, 60. Probably have 5 handles in this. Maybe you get 65. The big offer's at 60. This should push to 60. If we get above 60, we can get 65, which is VWAP. Above that, we can go 39.80. Watch crude. I'm going to try a crude long. I'm going to try a crude long, guys. 70. It's got to get above 74, and it can go right back up to the day high. 74 is the key. There it is. It's up. It broke it and failed. My target one will be 87. Target 1 is, call it 86. 86. 86. Target 1 is 86, or as you see fit. Too late. You got target. Free trade on crude. Stop is even. It's got to break out. It's got to get, if it breaks out above the daily high, she's going to tear again. Would be 73.13 would be the next target. I would add in one at the day high on a breakout. I'm out. Target 1 only. Anybody take crude? Okay, Earl. All right, guys. Good job. Little bit of money. All right, NASDAQ's long on the bot. If it breaks out, if crude breaks out, she's going to rip. All right, let me see what I got here. So ES, I'd have to sell the close. Gold, I would have to buy the close again. I have nothing on natural gas, nothing on copper, and crude. If crude breaks out, NASDAQ got target 1. If crude breaks out, it's going to be a big trade. If you guys want to try it. Both targets filled on the bot. I put 1 there, fellas. And I'm playing with a lot, a bunch of ticks. So depending on where you're at, NASDAQ should trade to 32, give or take. If it gets above that, it goes 45, which was yesterday's close. ES should trade to 60. Just goofing here. Got to 56. A lot of buyers 5 to 15 minutes ago. A lot of buyers up at the top. A lot of blocks. I canceled it, guys. Looks like it's going to pull back first. Look, our 95 is risen. Our 68 is getting pulled up. We could get a pullback at VWAP as well. I don't have it yet, though, on a short. If anybody is long ES, target 1 is 60, 60. 59, maybe. NASDAQ, I think it's 32. CPI is the real number. If CPI misses on Tuesday, the market implodes. I'm thinking it should. If producer prices are higher, consumer prices should be higher. I wouldn't understand a scenario where it's higher at the producer level, but not at the consumer level. Anybody long ES? Here is 59. Anybody long ES? 59.50. Okay. 59.50. You may want to take some risk off here, fellas. 59 to a half. Not a bad place to reduce some risk. If you have runners, your next target would be 65. Maybe 66 up at VWAP. All right, I'm done paying attention to crude. Guys, it's just about 9 o'clock here. I'll shut bots off for now until I come back. My bots are off. YM's up $50. NASDAQ's up 355. Let me turn this off. Turn that off. All right, all the breakouts are off. Anybody have any questions? I wouldn't be surprised to see a small bid on the open initially. 63.50. Natural gas was a whale of a trade. Anybody that may have taken it. Seeing if we get a reversal in crude. All right, guys, here we go. Be nice if I turn the damn bots on. There's the bid. Early bid. We don't care about no BPI. Hell with BPI. NASDAQ's long on the bot. Target one only. I'm going to turn that break even off and put trail on. All right, guys. NASDAQ, you can try a NASDAQ short at 88. 88 if it's going to come down to 88. Here she comes. Singing doo-wop. 88 triggered. 88 triggered. First target is 72. First target is 72. Target 172. Come on, you rat bag. There it is. Target hit and filled. Target one filled. Next target down, 48. Stop should be at break even because we're pinging around here. Or not, if you don't want to. Should come to 60. Actually, 60 is next target down. 60. ES, you can short ES below 44. So maybe a 42.50 short ES. 42.50. All right, 60 target is hit. 41 target is next. ES triggered short. Target one on ES. Target one on ES is 39. Come on, NASDAQ. Getting a small bounce on ES off that level. This is why I like freaking NASDAQ, man. ES is still a short. It's just going to bounce back to 60. I'm looking to buy SPX puts on the bounce. Oh, ES is a scumbag. NASDAQ was a winner. This is why I trade NASDAQ. Still think we're shorts, guys. This is just a bounce. If ES, let me look at, God dang it, man. I've got charts that are frozen. God, I hate Ninja. Such a bullshit platform. I say this every day. Crude is long. Crude is going long. I can't do anything with it. Crude is long at 72.30, 72.40. Crude is long 72.40. ES getting a bit of a retracement here. I still don't think we're going anywhere, guys. We're not going long unless we get above 65. Come on, ES, get your keister down here. If NASDAQ gets above, I can't do anything with it. I'm frozen everywhere, guys. My DOM is frozen. Oh, no, it's not now. Here comes crude at 40. Yeah, I think I'm going to try. $39.45 puts for today are $12.70, but we're at 53 on the SPX. Yeah, I called my broker, one of them. All right, there's 40 long on crude, and target one I'm going to try for 68. Let me see here. 59 on target. Yeah, too late for me, dude. Too late for me. SPX can trade 60. We're at 58. NASDAQ, if NASDAQ gets above 27, 28, $39.20 on the ES or SPX. Or SPX. I can't trade ES. I called my broker to find out what the hell the symbol was, and they put me on hold forever. I just got your text, Deepak. Yeah, I am. Target one filled on crude. Anybody long crude? No, it's just leave it. Set it and forget it. Anybody long crude? Okay. NASDAQ, I will be long NASDAQ at 33. No, above VWAP. Nice job, Frank. Good job, guys, on crude. If it takes me out on the runner, it does. C'est la vie. C'est la Vivi. Okay, out on crude. We have gap fill in SPX. I suspect this is where we fade. Man, those puts at 39.45 are still 1060. We got target on natural gas 63.60, so 63.50 target was hit. right, you did a call spread, buddy. $39.95 on the short strike. And got a NASDAQ bot trade, 40.35. I can get $3.05. YM is short on the bot. And that, here's the fade. We got gap fill and we're fading. NASDAQ is coming to 87. I got $2.90, Deepak. $2.90. Hang on, fellas. All righty. Out on the runner on the YM. Natural gas is a short. If you guys trade gas, natural gas is a short. Target number 1, 270. If you guys trade natural gas, it's in a strong uptrend, but it is a short with a 270 target number 1. Let's call it 285 for the sake of conversation. Well ahead of the target. NASDAQ, I'm still watching. Crude, I'm still watching. ES can't get above VWAP. Probably have a small short here at VWAP. We're floating everywhere. NASDAQ is trying to break out. $23 is the first hurdle. NASDAQ actually has 1,100 net buyers. I gotta bid this sucker up. Long NASDAQ. Long NASDAQ. At the close of the, there's your long NASDAQ. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's go get 1160 target 1. Maybe 59. 59.60. Target 1. 57. Call it 57 from 38. I'm 3 handles ahead of what I see as resistance. Come on, push here, you chump. Push here, you chump. Target filled. We are in the dough. Guys, been a good morning. Nice way to end the week. Final target, 685. 685. We don't care about no stinking PMI. Call it 84. Nice job, Paul. Because you're trading, Stuart, what you want to trade. You're not trading what you're seeing. You're trading what you think. And you feel that the market should go down. I feel the same way based on PPI. Market should be selling off, right? Makes sense. But if the whole world thinks the same thing, their initial reaction is going to be to screw the whole world. That's what these guys do. Okay, back testing VWAP. Got a bounce here, back above 48. 1,800 net buyers. Trade what you're seeing, not what you think. That's the hardest thing in the world for traders to do. They're just drawing longs in. That's all they're doing at this point. They're just getting longs sucked in. All right, you guys can have this back. I'm out. Small loss on that. Tesla had a nice ride. $1,600 buyers, small sellers in here. We're still longs. I would be long above 42 again. Crude is still going. If you guys like crude, it is long. I can give you a target on crude. We're trading up into noise. I should have been short SPX at that SPX 70 level. We're probably going to come back to 59.60 and potentially down to 52. We're going to want to hold. I mean, we're right back in the crap from yesterday between 60 and 65. We're right back in the crap. Really, ES needs to break below 60 to trade back down to 45. And below 45, it trades to 30. This is where I'm looking to try a long again, guys. Above here. SPX is trying to roll. Crude is longs. We're coming down to 54 and then 52 on the SPX. We're going to get a pullback in the ES. Oh my God, who's blowing up my phone? Yeah, now they got the longs screwed. Longs are screwed. We're below 60. Longs are done. They're going to hang these longs out to dry now. Here comes the SPX. I missed the trade, Deepak, like an ass. I wasn't watching. 70, I could have bought 50s. We're wedged in a small area here between 27 resistance and 90 support right now. Well, we're losing buyers. We're losing buyers. It looks to me like we're coming down. My guess is they want to stick the buyers up here. They're going to make them pay. I don't have it yet, though. Man, I missed an SPX trade. God dang it. Natural gas. Crude. All right, target 1 filled. Target 2 filled. No trades in crude, no trades in the ES on the bot yet. We're rolling over, fellas. ARD. NASDAQ's next target. NASDAQ is a short with a net target 1 at 78, but it's going to jerk around in here. Crude hasn't flipped. NASDAQ is short with a 78 target 1. Short NASDAQ, 78 target 1. Short NASDAQ, 78 target 1. It held 91 for a moment, but we have sellers. We're down to 490, give or take, buyers. Now back slightly over 500. It's going to flip. God dang it on that SPX, Deepak. Holding support at 91 for the moment. I'm not interested in longs. Unless it goes back above VWAP in that line I drew. Working on my first gallon. What news do we have at 10 o'clock, Ryan? What is it? Let them jock around, guys. Let them jock around. Oh, Michigan consumer sentiment. Okay. I still see us as short. NASDAQ shorted on the bot again. Target 1 filled. I'm telling you guys, we're coming to 78. Fudge, did I miss a trade? Yep, call credit spread is in the money. I'm not taking it off. We're not going, shoot. We got no shot at 95. We have no shot at 95. We're coming to 78 on the NASDAQ, guys. Nice job, Paul. Up $86 on micros on the bots. Nice job. Yeah, if I get 70, 80%, I close them. Then I don't have to watch them. What game, Paul? Got to be soccer. Who's playing? Brazil versus Croatia. Oh, that should be a good match. I love soccer. I can't get enough, especially when I have insomnia. You guys missed my joke. I'm not a soccer fan, Paul. You living you living in Brazil, I suspect they're probably a soccer fan, but I'll watch the U.S. when they're good. If Italy was in it, I'd pay more attention. Let it chunk around, fellas. Let it chunk around. Everybody, I know I have one member that's down, but everybody else should. Is there anybody else that's not making money? Anybody else not making money? Anybody? Okay, Jeff. Yeah, natural gas is going to roll over. It's getting to that point. It's going to roll. Okay, Rodney. I don't know what they're looking for in consumer sentiment. Doop de doo, doop de doo, doop de doo, doop doop doop. Natural gas is going to flip. So is crude. 59, 59.1 above the 57 expected. Jeez. Here comes my 78 short NASDAQ at 78. Crude is also a short crude. NASDAQ's back up to 611, but it got target. It hit that 78 target. NASDAQ is lagging like a chump. Like a chump. Seriously, like a chump. What were you in? Got target on NASDAQ, fellas, at 78. ES, long or short? Were you long or short? What was your target? Yeah. Yeah. This is where I'll be long, guys. 40. We're at 20. I'm not even caught up yet. I am not even caught up yet. NASDAQ is at 628. All right, I'm caught up now. I'm caught up. On Ninja, Ninja is at news and high volatility is almost impossible to trade. There's a long on the bot. Target filled. Interestingly enough, though, on the PPI news, for the first time ever, that's my long, 41. For the first time ever, my trade station, you're long, 41, guys. I'm lagging. I'm lagging. It's 41. It's 41 is was the entry. You're at 47. Target number one, if you were able to get it, is 58 on NASDAQ. 58. 58. There's 55. Now it's caught up again. I couldn't trade it. Anybody get it? That was my entry. 41 with a 58. Anybody get it? There's 58 target hit. Target one is hit. Nobody took it. Okay, Jeff, you took it. All right, a bunch of you guys took it. All right, guys, stop always goes to break even if you do not know. Crude bot is in a short, by the way. I can't move it. It's frozen. Crude is a short. Stop is 72.62. Crude is a short. Morning, Hubba. Choppy, choppy, sloppy, ugly. Back and forth. That's all it is. NASDAQ filled another long on the bot. Nice job, Jeff. Up 1160. See you Monday. Come on, NASDAQ. Don't be a chooch. Come on. Seriously. Don't be a chooch. Target filled. Target filled. NASDAQ gets above 61, we're going to trade 90. Maybe 62. We trade 90. We're just stuck, guys, between 60 and 65. I mean, that's it. NASDAQ ES is stuck. Other than that, yeah. Charlie, I could have told you what it was. That's funny. Come on, give me a bounce. NASDAQ's got 15-minute resistance at 59.60. 59.60. So that's the key. Call it there. If it gets through 15-minute resistance, we're going to blast up. If we get up near there, I may try the short up there. ES, I mean, it's struggling at 65. NASDAQ looks like it's going to try to break out. Delta is increasing, and we're not going anywhere. I still think this thing is going to try like hell. We're still holding VWAP. Can't get below VWAP. SPX looks like it wants to roll over, which will take, obviously, the ES with it. Crude is flat. Natural gas, I mean, this thing is due to roll. I keep getting short signals on that natural gas. It just doesn't want to roll. YM short. Seriously? 12 ticks? All right, target 1, target 2. We're rolling over, fellas. We're rolling over. SPX has rolled over. ES hasn't rolled yet. We're into a small buy zone on SPX. I don't think it holds. Let me just take a spin around, guys. I got nothing on coffee. We got a bid in corn, but it's rolling. Soybeans and wheat. Wheat is rolling. Soybeans is short. NASDAQ's only off 20 points. ES is off 6. YM is off 80. That's it. NASDAQ is trying to hang on to small time frame longs, big time frame shorts. Order filled where? Probably natural gas. Target 1 hit on natural gas. C. Natural gas. Anybody take the natural gas short? Target 1 is hit. Stop is break even. Here goes NASDAQ again for another full frontal assault. The only trade I have on NASDAQ, here's my trades, guys. Below 11 for a short, above 61 for a long. Other than that, you're in Chop City Central. That's their job, Mimi. That's their job, collecting premium. They're a pain in the ass, there's no question. Your short in the NASDAQ is below 11. Call it 10. And it can trade back to 75 for a target 1. You can try 92 for target 1 at a 10. Below, so call it 10. If it doesn't break down, I don't really care. Crude is almost to first target. Not quite. SPX is breaking down. I mean, ES has got to break down. It's got to. We have a bear flag on a 15-minute. At some point, we're going to break down today. All right. 39.60. We got 13 minutes to go. Okay. What happens if it's at 60? Then what? Because that's what it's looking like. We're stuck 60-60. We go fishing. I'm all for it. Another bot trade. Come get that second target. 10's your short, guys. This could bounce back to 32, which it looks like it's gonna, or go to break 10, and we're good. We're just chopping. Stay out of this chop. Do not get push buttonitis. Yeah, let them chop it. Uh-oh, Mimi. We might get it. We might get it. Got to hold on for 11 minutes. And then what's the target, Mimi? $25? Is that the target? There's target one. For what it's worth, guys, Robert, I am going to have that posted at 12:28 and 31 seconds. I have no idea when I'll get it posted. Sometime I'll try for today. I have no idea. I don't even know when when it'll end. For what it's worth, fellas, New York Stock Exchange volume is down 23% over our 3-month average daily volume. 23%. We are missing a truckload of volume. Well, we got target one. If this breaks up here on I mean, you can't fault Citadel for their business model, can you? Their job isn't to let any of us make money. This may get a little bit easier once we get rid of Europe. I mean, we'll lose volume, but they got to hang them at some point. If it's longs, they hang them longs. We're just chopping around, guys. I mean, it's all we're doing is a 10-handle range on the ES. But my belief is that we're probably coming down. But again, if I have to trade what I'm seeing, I don't see anything to trade. Credit spreads are nice because there's no volatility. Crude trade is still dinking around. Natural gas held. It's going to be out here. Out, natural gas, one target only. I'm done with bots for the day. They're all off, guys. All right, target one filled. Puts us at 982. Nice job, Deepak. Anybody have any questions, guys? All right, fellas. I am fixing to wrap it up for the week. I will give you guys bot totals. Yes, I'm going to have to work with. Second day in a row it was down 17.12 on this ES. I'm going to go back to a smaller Uniranko. Crude was down 120. NASDAQ was up 1640. YM was up 310. And natural gas was down 1180. The breakout indicator was up 982 on about 5 trades. We didn't do much with it today. I will be doing education at 11:30. If anybody is interested.